Hello viewers, I am Mr. Dilip Kumar Pal. Stand before you with a topic biogenetics and biogenetics manipulation. It is found in +3 6th semester ethics and value paper, and the name of the paper is environmental and techno-ethics. But before I discuss what is biogenetics and biogenetics manipulation, I want to inform my viewers that my channel name is @Dilip Kumar Pal 9375, where you will find videos of both English and Odia of +2 level and +3 level. So far as +3 level is concerned, videos from +3 first semester to 6th semester political science honors, videos from +3 first semester to 6th semester ethics and values, videos from +3 first semester to 2nd semester political and general elective, and some environmental studies videos of +3 first semester is found. And so far as +2 section is concerned, entire +2 second year political science course is found in this channel. And so far as +2 first year is concerned, some political science videos of +2 first year is found. I have already told you that any video you want on any topic, just write my name Dilip Kumar Pal and the name of the topic in Google or YouTube. You will get bilingual videos in English and Odia. Let us start. What is biogenetics and biogenetics manipulation? In environmental and techno-ethics subject, biogenetics and biogenetics manipulation are two vital concepts which are explained below. In the environmental and techno-ethics subject, biogenetics and biogenetics manipulation are two vital concepts. So, what is biogenetics and biogenetics manipulation? We'll discuss. Biogenetics. What is biogenetics? Biogenetics is the plus of two words like biology and genetics. Biogenetics is the plus of two words like biology and genetics. So what is biology and what is genetics? If we'll know, it will be easier on our part to know biogenetics. So biogenetics is the plus of two words like biology and genetics. Biology is a plus of two words again. Bio means life and ology, ology means study of. So biology means study of all living organisms. So biology means study of all living organisms. Genetics, heredity of organisms. Ecology, organisms, environmental interactions. Physiology, functions of living organisms. Microbiology, study of microbes. And cell biology, structure and functions of cell. So biogenetics is a plus of two words. One is biology, other one is the genetics. And biology again is a plus of two words. One is bio means life. Other one is the ology means study of. So biology means study of all living organisms. Genetics, heredity of organisms. Ecology, organism environmental interaction. Physiology, functions of living organisms. Microbiology, study of microbes. And cell biology, structure and functions of cell. So biology is a subject which is the plus of two words. One is bio means life, other one is the ology means study of. So biology is a subject which studies living organisms. Genetics, their heredity, how they have come. Ecology, organisms environment interactions, physiology functions of living organisms, microbiology study of microbes, small insects, small small living organisms, and cell biology, structure and functions of cell. So biology is a subject who studies living organisms, genetics, how they've come, physiology, how these living organisms function, cell, their cell structure, then microbiology, study of smaller to smaller living organisms like bacteria, then ecology, living organism and environment interaction. So we are clear about the meaning of biology. Then what is genetics? On the other hand, genetics is a part of biology. So we are clear about the meaning of biology. So what is genetics? Genetics is a part of biology. Genetics studies only genes, basic unit of heredity. Genetics is a subject which studies the genes, which is the basic unit of heredity. It is a study of how traits or qualities are passed from parents to offsprings through genes, like through genes, like physical qualities like eye color, hair color, height and skin, disease susceptibility means child's chance to develop disease of parents, mental abilities means mental or cognitive ability of parents, personal qualities like extroversion means sociableness, neuroticism, different difficulties in coping with stress, etc. So genetics studies genes. So biogenetics is a subject of, is a mixture of two words. One is biology, other one is the genetics. Biology is a subject which deals with living things, and genetics is a subject deals with genes. Genes means it is a basic unit of heredity, and this genetics studies how traits means qualities are passed from parents to offsprings through genes, like physical qualities, the qualities of parents will be transferred to other offsprings through genes. What qualities will be transferred? Physical qualities like eye color, hair color, height and skin. Then disease susceptibility means child's chance to develop disease of parents. Then mental abilities, mental and cognitive abilities of parents. Personal qualities like extroversion means sociableness, the child will get some personal qualities of his parents like extroversion, sociableness, then neuroticism, difficulties in coping with stress. So genetic studies only genes. So we are clear about the meaning of biology, we are clear about the meaning of genetics. Now we'll discuss what is biogenetics. Biogenetics is the plus of biology and genetics. Biogenetics is the plus of biology and genetics, and it studies genes of living organisms only, especially how genes of living organisms are passed from parents to offsprings. Biogenetics is otherwise known as genetic engineering. So we are clear about the meaning of biology. It is a subject which studies living things. We are clear about the meaning of genetics. Is a subject which deals with the genes. So biogenetics, which is the mixture of biology and genetics, is a subject which studies genes of living organisms, especially how genes of living organisms are passed from parents to offspring. So biogenetics is a subject who studies the genes of living organisms, and it studies especially how genes of living organisms are transferred from parents to offspring. And this biogenetics is otherwise known as the genetic engineering. So we are clear about the meaning of biogenetics. Now I'll discuss biogenetics manipulation. What is biogenetics manipulation? Biogenetic manipulation is the modification of an organism's genes using technology. So biogenetic manipulation means it is the manipulation. Biogenetic manipulation is the modification of an organism's genes by using some technology. So biogenetics is nothing else. So biogenetics manipulation is nothing else but modification of the genes of an organism by using a technology. How? It used to develop and modify living organisms. It used to develop and modify living organisms by altering their DNA. DNA means deoxyribonucleic acid, whose smaller section is gene, allowing scientists to introduce new traits or enhance existing one by adding or removing or modifying specific genes, essentially programming the organism to exhibit desired characteristics that would not occur naturally through traditionally breeding methods. So biogenetics manipulation means modification of genes of an organism by using a technology. So what it will modify? It will modify the genes. How? It used to develop and modify living organisms. It used to develop and modify living organisms by altering, changing their DNA. DNA means deoxyribonucleic acid, whose smaller section is gene, allowing scientists to introduce new traits or enhance existing one by adding or removing or modifying specific genes, essentially programming the organism to exhibit desired characteristics that would not occur naturally through traditionally breeding methods. So biogenetics manipulation means it is a system where genes of an living organism will be modified. It will modify DNA, whose smaller part is gene. So biogenetic manipulation is the modification of genes of an living organism, by which the living organism will develop a new traits, a new quality, which otherwise will not happen in natural breeding process. This can be done in plants, animals and microorganisms. This biogenetic manipulation can be applied in plants, animals, including human beings, microorganisms, like increased resistance of plants to insect or diseases, improved nutritional content, change in appearance. By changing genes of animals, plants, microorganisms, scientists will bring about a change in living organisms. By changing genes of the plants, they will make the plant, insect resistance, increase resistance of plant. By altering the genes, they will make the plant increase resistance of plant. They will increase the resistance of plants to insects. Again, they can improve nutritional content of the plant, and they will change by altering the gene, they will change the appearance of the plants. So biogenetic manipulation is a method by which genes of plants, living organisms, microorganisms will be changed, which will not happen by natural breeding process. By introducing biogenetics manipulation in plants, they will make plants more resistant to insects. They will raise nutritional level of plants. They will change the appearance of the plants. So this is biogenetic manipulation. But this biogenetic manipulation is sometimes harmful. How? By biogenetic manipulation, economic benefits are derived. By biogenetic manipulation, economic benefits will be derived. Because by biogenetic manipulation, plants will become more resistant to insects. They will become more resistant to diseases. They will have more production. So by biogenetic manipulation, economic benefits will be derived. Still, there remains a notable concern that these crops may pose greater risks to human health compared to natural food. Whenever genes of plants will be changed, it is considered that this may be harmful for human beings, because human beings are accustomed to the natural plants. When genes of natural plants will be altered, then new type of plants may pose danger to human beings. The scientific consensus acknowledges, the scientific discussion acknowledges, agree, the potential health risks associated with genetically modified products. Scientists also agree that when genes of plants will be modified, it may be harmful for human beings. Therefore, it is vital to exercise caution and limit the application of genetic modification to those products that do not endanger humanity. So, at the time of genetic manipulation in the plants, caution or strict vigilance will be made. And this, when there will be genetics manipulation of plants, when the genes of the plants will be altered, at the time extreme caution must be taken so that it will not be harmful. The application of this technology should be pro-human and not employed against human race. The application of this technology should be pro-human and not against human race. Natural products possesses their own unique blend of nutrition. Natural products have their own blend of nutritions. Natural products have their own nutritions, enzymes, antimicrobial properties, and inherent qualities that would be appreciated in our diets. Let us enjoy natural foods, seasonal crops and fruits. So, biogenetics manipulation in plants will be made. But whenever it will be made by changing the genes of the plants, it will be made with carefulness. It will not be against human race. It will be pro-human. So that there will not be any problem. So natural products possess their own nutrients, enzymes, microbiological properties, and inherent qualities that would be appreciated in our diets. So no doubt biogenetics manipulation plants will be made, but they will be made with extreme carefulness. But natural food is natural food, and natural food has its own microbiological antimicrobial properties, enzymes, nutrients. So steps must be taken to use as far as possible natural food, seasonal crops and fruits in place of biogenetic manipulation plants product. So in this video we have discussed the meaning of biogenetics and biogenetic manipulation. I request my viewers to subscribe the channel so new videos will come to you. And the most important thing is aware of your friends, those who are in +2 and +3 about this channel. So students will be benefited, your friends will be benefited. It is important. Thank you. Have a good day.